Hey, skip a one here. And we got Sundown audio. Surprised me. $149. Probably something shitty. Probably something Derek sneezed on. Let's see what it is. $140. I think it was 37 pounds. On the shipping packing. Let's see what it is. Oh, I know they got another. Oh, they don't have another tape in there. Hey, wait. Then maybe they do. I'm mad. And if this thing is packed sideways, somebody's getting punched. Let's go. Let's go. I wonder what this surprised me. Why did I do that and not do? Let's go. Yeah, I didn't get that straight at all. Much like life. All right, a sticker and gasket material. Yeet. And it is packed sideways. Why do people do? This is why I don't fuck with Sundown no more. I'll be honest with you. Jacob, like, spend an extra $1 and give me the one I could just pull out. Now I gotta. Oh my God. I'm sending this back. I'm PayPal claiming this. This is fucking stupid shit. Hey, now we cooking with some grease now. What is this? Oh my God, it's heavy. It says it's 37. I call that a lot. Feels like it's more. The Neo. It's a compact Neo, guy. Hey. Let's go. Hey, look at that shit. Remember that guy complaining about the terminals? I can't fit 4 gauge. I can't fit 4 gauge. Oh, but shout out Sundown Audio. Jacob, Derek, Brian. I don't know who else works there. It's the Sundown. What is this? Is this a Sundown V2? SA V2? Oh, I'm going to wreck this thing's pretty little life. Ooh, I'm glad it's a 12 too. I needed a 12. That's what she said. Appreciate it, guys. Make sure y'all shop Sundown Audio Yardsale.com. This was the $149. Surprised me. I don't know if you'll get the same thing. Maybe not. But we're cooking with grease now. I'm gonna put this bitch through the paces. Shout out Sundown Official.